Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Yulia.
This is Elijah, and this is Haley. Together we are the KU Grow Project. Join us as we take you on the adventure of our lives as a family.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we are in the middle of the beautiful big snow and we're going somewhere magical today, right honey?
Yeah, the Seven Rila Lakes. Everyone normally films here in the summer.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll do something different. Maybe we won't even make it up today. 2 days ago we tried and it was closed. We'll try and get you some other nice footage if we can make it up there. We're about to find out. But the Seven Rila Lakes, by the way, are glacial lakes. Glacial lakes are as a result of a glacier melting, obviously. So they have lower temperature throughout the year, even in the summer. Maybe we won't even be able to see them.
Maybe they frozen, but we are up for this challenge and we'll take you with us.
And our children.
Tuned. Yay! Yes.
I forgot the battery in my...
He forgot the battery in his GoPro, so you know, I'm rescuing him.
Are that in the cable car?
We are in the cable car. Crazy people. But you know, that's us. That's our little family. And actually there is our bags behind traveling. Hopefully they're not gonna fall. Luckily it's not windy and it's not cold at all. It's soft, nice snowfall.
Ooh, wait outside.
So we off the station and on top here it's just so much snow. It's very hard to even move. We're gonna go to this building, reorganize a little bit our bags, and we'll see what's gonna happen after it. And I see there's a lovely dogs waiting for us.
What dog?
Gonna meet them now. Haley, do you like the snow?
No, because it's hard for my knee.
It's hard to walk, right? There's so much. Hello. I hope they're not cold. Hello. Hello, puppies. Hello. How are you? He's a beautiful, beautiful. Be careful. Hello. Okay. Hey, you too. Hello. Come on, darling, come.
Grabbing all the snow off the dog.
Yeah, come. Come. Haley, just don't fall. Wow. They're so fluffy.
Yeah, they're made for the mountain. Maybe we should take one back.
Maybe they will let us.
Cute little puppies. Okay, so as you can see, Seven Rila Lakes. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that.
Maybe that's the reason why they don't go in winter time, because literally you can't
Yeah,
see
well,
much.
no, we're in the middle of a snowstorm, but we'll try and get as far as we can for you guys. Maybe it might be a bust or not, but we'll try.
And our snowy adventure and trying to get to at least one lake.
As you can see, we can't even see the trail. That's how thick the snow is. It's insane. And there's the first bridge. Hopefully there's some signs of the trail, you know, that you can follow aside from seeing the actual walkway, you know? A fire truck? Nice. I'm not sure if we can make it, huh? It's just too thick. Hayley, how are you feeling?
You still ready to go a little bit up?
A little bit further? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. You making snowballs? Are you making snowballs? Wow. We are way too deep in the snow. I mean, it's a snowstorm warning, so, and it's just gonna be impossible because all the walking paths are just, you can't see them, and they have like almost a meter thick snow on top of them. You just can't see the path, so it's too dangerous. I don't know if you can see this, but look at that. The mountains go much higher. We're already at like 2,100 meters. Yeah. So I guess this will just be a video of us playing in the snow. And my chuk-chik here.
Chukcha. And we'll be back in summertime for sure, because this is one beautiful place.
Just here at the top, and these people are so hospitable. There's almost no one here, and give us some nice lentil soup.
No, it's a bean.
Or bean soup.
Yeah.
Cool, man. It's a bit top load, huh? Yeah.
So this is how Rila Lakes looks like in summertime. Beautiful. We'll be back, and for now we're gonna try to catch this lift back and get to our cozy hotel. Believe it or not, literally these guys opened the ski lift for us to go up and now for us to go down. There was no one crazy enough to do this, what we did, well, for obvious reasons, but you know, that's us. That's a cave group project. We enjoyed this trip even. Yes. Hello. Even though we didn't go through these 7 lakes, we played in the snow, we enjoyed the ride, and now we gonna go back.
So we are making our way down now. Hayley, how was this experience for you? Cold or good?
Good.
But man, just take a look around. It's just so epic. It's really, really, really epic. Unfortunately, we couldn't get to the whole Seven Rila Lakes because, as you can see, we're in the middle of a snowstorm. And as we tried to walk, we couldn't see the pathway at all because it's all buried under like a meter of snow. So we walked you know, halfway to the first lake, and then we decided to just turn around, just for safety reasons and for with the kids. If it was just Julia and me, maybe we'll try it, but yeah, we have to do the responsible thing. Well, no one else is up here in anyway, so people will think we're crazy in anyway, but maybe we are. But that's all, you know, what life is all about, right? We will probably come back in the summer somewhere, or maybe still in the winter when it's just a little bit more melted and easier access. I don't know, to try and give you guys a better view. But yeah, for now, that's us. See you later. I hope we can get out of here.